So welcome to VGA Digital Blog at smtbs.com. We got some stuff we want to run through here with you guys. And we've been trying to get the AI over base 44 to see this audio engine that we have here in the lab to create multi-track. And since I had created something there, I can also, okay, let's open the console and the Lord. Let's get out of the multi-track. See, I got a bunch of examples on multi-track stuff, don't you see? It's not that we have to go really search. We have to go really search for information to build a thing that we know we did research for and we did. You know what I mean? Okay. So that's how the thing go. Right, so we just give you a demonstration. Now we can record multi-track as well. Well, and let's refresh this. Well, this one we still working with it in the sense of the way. Now we can go over here where I did record some stuff, and I can do some record, and I can do another one. And okay, we're gonna do some new, yeah, right? Because it's a multi-track. You understand that? So it's because I brought it right. To the old script where you have the new style sheet. You still grab these stuff that's right here, right? Okay, mute and solo. So it's cool. I installed a control system right here. So we do have an audio engine to record multi-track, and I guess we're gonna have a little trouble in trying to get the AI base 44. Like I said, even handing over the information, the AI intend to do other things. Okay, and this particular one right here, I don't know if it's gone already, yes, because when you do it, it's gone. You can definitely lower the file here. So we got this. That's what we got from the developer. And we got this. That's what we got from the developer. And there was a stereo one that came with all the plugins for equalize and everything. I was trying to have the AI remove the stereo one but retain the other stuff. So I see that's not happening. So we have to go backwards on the next vibe then and bring back that stereo editor and try to bring that stereo editor to be a multi-track to retain the equalizers and everything and all the other plugins that's with it. You understand? That's simple. And like I said, the only good thing that we got out of it was the creation of the virtual instrument. I don't know what I was doing that day when I explained it to the AI. He just got it right. And the drums. Got the bass right, but the open iron, the crash, the ride, the clap, that's alright for tom-tom still, right? So it look like the tom-tom and the bass is the only thing that got the right tone. That sound more like, you see? So the idea was to get the next phase was to get you to build oscillator to create new instrument and stuff like that as a bank. But yes, it did. That's a drama. Hey, let's go over there real fast. So you guys saw this before. So we got some more work to do here, man. You know, when you look at this right now, you understand, and you look at the way the computer made the oscillator so big that I can't even, and it's not even moving around, and there is no escape. So we wanna, and it's the type of formula that it's built in, right? So we don't need to be in a formula. So when it's loaded, it dims the back. No, do like regular pH. That's what's going to happen. If I'll go back and explain something. So now we can't escape from it. We use synth bass, whatever we load in, organ, whatnot, not. It's loaded. And furthermore, we need to have a keyboard to test it out on it. Understand? If we don't have a keyboard, we can't test it out. We don't know what it is, the sound, really, if it's the right sound. So the AI is doing things, yes, but the AI needs to even make this much smaller that we can see it and control it. You know what I mean? For me to even get out of it, I've got to reload. So once that happens, you have no control over nothing else. You know, that's not a good thing. However, like I said, when we got the video stuff going on, I tried, I was okay. But the AI, okay, I think on that part right there, when we came to build the video, AI video thing, it asked me multiple questions. I had to choose one. But the other question them you asked me, they're supposed to be in there too, but you only allowing me to choose one. When I need to choose all of them. That will give us the ability to load our own motion files and thing into the doggone thing. So I got to go back again and redo it and just go into that same prompt and take out those little part that it was asked me, just give them that little part to fit it in. You know what I mean? Okay. So, well, okay, like text. Right? So, all right. Me using my little fingers and things and playing on my keyboard and made AI create the track after that for me. You know what I'm saying? We'll start up that same oscillator thing up there that we just looked at. We can utilize that to even change the sound so we can create other sounds. Understand? That's all the thing go. Right? So that's working. We will come in here and we click. Oh, God of mercy. I must be joking. This morning, I come in and I said, Van, last night you click on the metronome and it's not working. I come back now. So I said the AI around there working, man. All right. Let me try this again. Well, I got some other example where the AI built something and it's like doing multi-track. I don't know what the AI is doing right here. Let's try to go short, go to simple. And see what we got around here. And let me arm this track, Rasta, because I don't understand what I'm going on. All know we can't see what the AI is doing with the recording thing. You know, it's just basically we don't know if we arm in the track or the track arm. We can't arm the track, you can arm that. Let's arm the blow track. Right? So that's the stuff AI is friggin' doing. I can't get. We're not seeing an entry. Yes, still in other programs we are seeing that's happening. Right? Okay. And the thing again, so we play this. What is this what we record? We can't, it's not sync. You can create the track, but the track don't sync. So that's a lot of things. So there's a lot of things. So we go back again and said, everything that we ask the AI to build in AI seems to always work. Okay, this is the plugin. And we have to have this one-on-one with the AI to make sure the plugins them are in right. We did enter modifications in prompt concerning the plugin, concerning all these things. But like I said, the AI is working on the things and not bringing them up, right? And still need to take care of this. Now, device, showing the 4-channel device that is really on this computer. right? So we still need, even though we got the credit back on stuff, we didn't get the credit back enough to on the rewrite. This was at the redo, you know. So now I have that. So now we're getting there. We're getting there somewhere, you know. you know, Lord of mercy, I said, it's a work in progress. Okay, let's get out of here. But keep in mind, we just showed you the audio engine, and I think, time is everything. I think the AI has the thing in its head, you know. And like I referred to another thing, and I said, okay, it's like you give a man like a house full of and things and said, assemble this together for me. But the builder, at the same time, is somewhere overwhelmed by that. So the builder set out to know that he's got a large job. And what the builder does, the builder build all the framework so he can come later on and add in all the other functions. And that's what AI has been doing. Instead of staying in one place and putting a function, I think a lot of the function, maybe the AI have to go retrieve them from other databases and something like that to bring it to the program. So I'm just being optimistic and saying, okay, fine. Because like I said, the metronome was not working this morning, and I said to myself, the metronome not working, it was working yesterday. And then I come and I turn on the video and it go click, 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 click. So I'm like, something is going on in the background, then don't you think? The reason why I'm loaded the student, I should go to the one, find the one that we already loaded already. I like to jump back to stuff. What's this? Oh, these are builders. And this is a student the AI bill I have no knowledge of. Oh man. Okay, this is a student we try and actually load. Yes, you can say, all right, I'm doing a thing, so I'm gonna try a thing. All right. And of course, I'm still trying to try a thing. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Wow. And this is a blaster. Every time you do something, it's a blaster. Now, you guys, again, early on, you know why I went to the administration to load the file? Because when I take it from the administration and I brought it out here, it didn't show something. On the AI is working in the background. This morning, I loaded this file. All was there was this. And of course, I'm still trying to try a thing. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Wow. And this is a blaster. Now, listen good to me, everyone. This is a piece of recorder right here, so. This is like you singing this is an AI studio. And AI has just been whacking around with it. But I'm going to construct it the right way, because the AI is the one that created it and called it the AI studio, not me. But based upon what I'm doing in my workstation, we're going to, and this is always here, we're going to, when you sing right here, seeing, we'll say put an AI generator here where the control is, because it's giving an AI mastering system right here, right? Come back up, you little ass. AI master to master. So we're going to put the AI in it. So when you sing here, the AI takes it and look at the library of song to try to make you a song with your vocals. Now, on the multi-track version of it, the AI need to establish the one universal control that plays multiple track, if it's there, or the multi-track player. Because if I record my voice right here, which wasn't on the thing this morning, but when I'm into the administrative system, I'm seeing that it's on it, and I'm like, whoa, but it's not on the outside. So I just refreshed my system. What I did, I rebooted like my system again and brought it back. And then I brought the system back. I noticed that what wasn't on the page is on the page. AI is still working, but still need to figure it out. And trust me, a lot of things needs to be happening. But like I talk about giving a builder a truckload of equipment to assemble, and he's doing research trying to find out how he can assemble all of them. And I guess the period of waiting, I should wait around a little bit and see. And we're gonna get it together. Right? So we got it here. We don't have a control to play, but the next one plays it. God, my advice, right? Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Oh, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. So we do another voice. You understand? So I just refreshed my system. Right. I rebooted like my system. True that, true that, true that, true that, true that, true that. So what we talking about, guys, is talking about the AI recording a track and doing another track. We see a lot of mix up things when the AI do the error and all them things. And during the configuration of the workstation, the AI sort of somehow thinks something about AI Studio and sort of kept it. Some of that function that I talked to the AI about, creating one track after the next track, after you record a track, create a track. You understand? Create an empty track so you can just record another. Then we would evolve up into creating, just recording a multi-track. So I still have to continue. Now that somehow the AI had figured it out, let me slap a multi-track so Van can record multi-track. We'll have to now give it purpose and direction. And we'll have to know we have a one universal player. Yes, when you're clicking on the next recording button, it plays the track, that's exactly true. You need to do that. Right? But we need to have a play button. You notice that it's okay, like now if I should be able to play both of those tracks. Two, that's what we're talking about. And if we're recording, again, we're supposed to be able to do what? Hear those tracks so we can turn the level down. Right? And so we got a lot of work to do with the AI Studio. Right? Those are the things that's going on here in the production. Right from top to bottom. We're going to get the AI too. And, wow, I don't know what I'm going to do with this new studio that the AI just pop out of the box and call it an industrial studio. We want to keep it or we don't want to keep it. There's a track here and it's a meter and a bunch of stuff. We don't know what's going on with this yet. And sometimes the AI create a thing. I chill for a minute. Because I said, well, the AI created, leave it. Because it's still something that's built. Rather than throw it away, leave it and we will bring it to something. Seems like the track is over here. It seems like the place to record, and like I said, no recording yet. So let's leave that to the AI. That's what the AI is up to. So guys, I appreciate you guys here, and this over here, we just have to get the AI to build up some stuff, right? Right, to make things happen. And this one is not keyboard. We should be able to have. We're gonna have tell the AI to hook it up to my keyboard, so it could listen to text to music too, and a lot of stuff gonna happen. We appreciate. And we got our desktop that we are gearing up to build. So you can have this desktop, and when all the equipment is done, this is the place where you see a lot of stuff I've been doing. You can almost just look at the different radio, all kinds of stuff you're gonna get in here. Well, we have the development one, but this is the media one. Okay, thanks you guys.